today we will be particularly speaking and focusing on the how we have adjusted as a working couple in our life. I would like to start by, for those of you who doesn't know, I am a nurse by profession and my husband is a doctor, both working in the Indian Army. So we thought it was kind of a good match, both from the defense background and similar this thing. But we face, like any other couple, we also face many challenges. When we got married, I was posted in Pune and he was posted in Assam, which was like poles apart. And only after the birth of our son Danny, we were posted together. And of this 7.5 years of our married life, we are posted only about 3.5 years together, including this tenure up till this time. But despite all these things, yes, we do have a lot of advantages, or being from the similar healthcare settings, from the healthcare environments, and also from the defense background, we have many things, like for example, like we have advantages of being able to identify with each other's problems, or to understand, like if he comes back home stress related to patient or administrative issue, I'll be able to understand, and vice versa. But of course, it is mostly from my side, which is more like frustrating. Being from nursing background, we all know, our nursing colleagues can identify. We have more stressors, so I come back home more stressed most of the time. But my husband gives his attention, and he doesn't. He gives his understanding attitude or whatever. So I'm very grateful to God that He has given me a husband from this background. And the other advantages being, yes, of course, during our distant posting, I have many issues. For example, I was doing my MSc when we were posted differently. In 2 years, I was with my children. I could not finish my assignments. I could not prepare for exams and all well in time. So to help me, my husband has, from the time of my preparation for my MSc nursing, he has helped me to sort out some question answers. He will update me on certain question answers through SMSs, to prepare myself so that I can back up with lack of time. And also during my MSc times, he will help me with my, he has frequented his visits more than 10 times, I think, during those 2 years. He enjoyed his, of course, long drive, journey from Hisar to Pune. He has gone up and down more than 10 times. So many things he has adjusted with his leave in my MSc time, and also during my duties, night duties and shift duties, there were a lot of problems. But his duty being more flexible, and also he knows how to deal with administrative people more than me, so he has adjusted a lot. So that is some points that I feel I have gained from this relationship as a working couple.
I was trying to recall incidents when he has a night duty for 15 days, and that time my night duty also come for 1 day. That time Danny was around 3 years and Laina was smaller, 1.5. So I cannot allow the children to keep with the helpers for, like 2 children with 1 helper at night is not feasible also. So I take Danny along for my duty. So the moment that Danny arrived in the MI room, we call it MI room in the military setup, none of the patients turned up. So this was a bad part, and that is only once, but twice it happened. So we have to adjust our duty accordingly. That's sometimes very difficult also. With God's grace, we can pull through or push through whatever. Yes, another disadvantage we have in being in armed forces, we have to move every 2 to 3 years. Like we were in Pune for almost 3 years together, 3.5 years together. After that, she moved to Lucknow and I moved to Hisar. And for MS, he has to go back to Pune again. I tried my best to get a posting in both the places, which was not feasible because of the organization requirement. Those long distance is always there. But one thing we always remember, it's always God grace that we are able to pull through also. And another problem we have is about Danny and Laila. Danny, this is the fourth school I think he is attending in last 3 years, I think 4 years. He keep on changing. So, but fortunately for him, he always has one friend called Daksh. In all the school, he has Daksh as a friend.
So I think that's the good part. Mostly, of course, we have discussed there are many challenges, but as people have shared in different services about different matters, we have confined our topic to this working as a working couple. So I hope can appreciate some of it. Thank you.